Okay, I'll get up. Good morning, everyone. All right, last night I definitely had one too many bottles of wine, not even glasses. All right, but today's an exciting day, and I know I say that every single time because my days can be quite exciting. But today is specifically exciting because there is the coolest new roof terrace that has opened today called Java in Lisbon. It is conveniently about 100 meters from where I live, and they have opened up for brunch. So I'm gonna take you on a brunch date. Let's go. Who invented the shower that always gets you wet when you turn it on? Why do you have to lean into the shower to turn it on? We need to fix showers, people. Face is moisturized, body is moisturized. Important when you live in a hot country, important when you live in a dry country, just important all around. What else? Let's think. I've got SPF moisturizer on my face because I'm going to be sitting in the sun later. This is my salt spray, which I do a little squirt. There we go. Okay, I'm going to brush my teeth a bit. You know how it is like when you wake up sometimes and even though you're about to eat? That's a good question. Whoa, what happened there? Do you brush your teeth before you eat or after? Or both? I sometimes do both actually, because like you wake up in the morning and you're sort of like, and then you know you're gonna have a coffee with like a mouth that's like a monkey's ass. Don't forget to brush your tongue as well. All right, so let's go make some breakfast before breakfast. Let's go. It's at this point that I remember I actually had people round last night. Now I need to clean my living room. All right, so that's very sad. I have no idea why I'm sitting here. This just proves where my mind is right now. Somehow I thought this was a good idea. I have just had the worst realization. I'm out of eggs. But I have some smoked salmon. I have some asparagus. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chuck some asparagus. I'm going to boil it, though, healthy. And, well, maybe grilled would be better. What do you think? You can't talk to me. This is a video. Boil, healthier. Salmon, quick little light snack. Boom, on our way to brunch. But on a serious note, how many of you ever break the dead ends off the stalks and then put those in the cooking thing? I always do that. Cooking thing, I don't even talk. Let's see what happens. We should get ready now. Let's go. There we go. I'm ready to go. But of course, I have run out of socks.
So I'm going to have to do the famous sniff test to see if the ones I was wearing yesterday, I only wore them in the evening, so they haven't had a full day's use yet, and how they smell and see if I can use them. I don't really have another option, so I'm going to use them anyway, but I'm still going to do this sniff test. All right, here we go. There's one of them here. Come on, admit it, you do it too. What, that one's fine. Pick this one up. They're okay. Let's go. I'm not dressed. Is that the famous Stephen Ryan?
Regan.
Is that the one?
Stephen Ryan.
I know, it felt right.
Is this just a big excuse for a video shoot, Matt?
Always, no, I'm kidding.
How to just live your life. Next topic of Matt's videos, how to live in the moment.
How to live in the moment. In the present.
This is an illusion, Matt. You realize that, don't you?
The question is, what do you think? This is where we're going for brunch, everyone. Just on the top over here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Terrace shot.
Baby, I'm just a thorn in your crown. Thorn in your crown. Lately.
Java Lisbon is a brand new roof terrace, bar, cafe, bistro, galore basically, opposite the Jardin Dom Luis, a park right next to the Time Out Market, so a pretty awesome location in the centre of Lisbon that I conveniently live around the corner from. I've been waiting to check this place out since I've been seeing it on Instagram. It is a really cool kind of eclectic, very Soho House vibe, but the one thing that stood out was the staff were absolutely amazing.
What are your first impressions of this place?
Well, it's beautiful. I can imagine this at nighttime.
The mic is here.
I can imagine this at nighttime, very buzzy. You know what I mean? Lots of glamorous people walking around with cocktails and stuff. But it's not nighttime.
Why do I have my arm around
10 a.m. I've no idea.
Why am I doing
Get your
that?
hand off me.
Let's fast forward to the menu.
I'll be just fine. Be just fine. I'm getting higher. Getting higher.
And then the food arrived. We decided to order a bunch of things from the menu just to try it out and actually mix and match as we went. We had some Turkish eggs kind of thing, some banana pancakes, this whole kind of meze platter as well with the most amazing and delicious baba ganoush I've had in a very long time. So absolute marks of, I don't know, maybe what we say, 8 out of 10?
Yes.
8 out of 10. That's Stephen in the background.
Right, we're done with very delicious brunch. What did you think?
Do you know what this reminds me of, Matt?
does it remind you
need
of?
to do a bit of a camera.
He's always interrupting the ending of the
A great music website
vlogs.
called Balcony TV.
This does remind me of Balcony TV. He is the founder, the original founder of Balcony TV. 20,000 videos they made until he sold the company to Sony in 2001. Or who was it?
2013.
2013 sold to Sony, then Orchard TV, and now he runs People of Lisbon. I'm going to link their channel up or below, whichever one you prefer, because it's actually a really interesting channel. I was featured on that channel, wasn't I?
You were, Matt. You were a superstar guest.
26th episode I was.
26th episode, yeah.
What's the next episode?
We're still working on it.
But the funny thing is, this is about brunch, not
It's not about
People of Lisbon.
Yeah.
Anyway, to round things off, thanks for watching this episode. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.
end of the episode, was it? We had such a great time and the sun had finally come out because we got a little bit chilly on the terrace there with the wind. One recommendation, don't sit where we sat until after maybe 11 in the morning because we were basically in the shade until finally midday when it came out. So we decided to sit on the terrace there, warm up a bit and have a cheeky little drink before I had to rush back and edit this vlog for you. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Make sure to check out our channel for more of our daily vlogs. Have a nice weekend. Bye.